Hi, my viewers. My name is Kasturi Datta. Today, I want to tell you something about the introduction of any particular topic, how to start the topic, how to create an appeal in the minds of the public or the mind of the people who are listening to your speech. So, I will be showing you by means of a presentation which is termed as idea generation. First of all, let me ask you the question: what do you mean by an idea? What does the word idea mean to you? Has it any time occurred in your mind that, okay, it is an expression like we think of certain things in certain ways, we have ideas about certain things. So, where does this idea come from? Have you ever wondered? Ideas come from a particular word, and that word is called information. So, if I say I have no idea about this, that means I don't have any information about a particular matter. So, I just want to share by means of a screen presentation how to start a topic, how to start any type of topics. The starting of the topic, the introduction portion is very important to create an appeal in the mind of the people or the listeners, so that they say that the first impression is the last impression, so that the audience keeps wondering what type of question you're asking, and you have been able to create an influence that is an appeal in the mind of your audience. So if we start from this particular slide presentation, it is called as idea generation. As I told you, that idea generation means some sort of ideas which occurs to your mind or some based on certain information. So today I must want ask you a simple question: how to get ideas? As I already discussed, that ideas come from the word information. If we have enough information about a particular topic, any particular, I mean any particular factor, any field of study, any subject also, then we can say, okay, I have idea about this, or else we can say I have no idea. So I want to show you certain things here, certain factors that ideas can come to us from three sources. One is personal experience, the second one is others' experience, and the third one is knowledge. If we say personal experience, because the events which happened or which have been taking place in our lives daily, or fortnightly, or weekly, or monthly, or yearly. So these can be termed as personal experience. Others' experience means we need to know how to place ourselves in somebody else's shoe. Okay, other's shoe, we can say. And that can be also a part of the ideas, because we need to understand that they have also faced that similar situation. That is why we call them others' experience. Knowledge is very important for us, and knowledge can come to us from different sources like reading, listening, learning, social media, and anything like that. So these are the three important factors based on which we can get or accumulate ideas. Ideas means that information we have received or will be receiving or we have already received, based on which we can generate our ideas about a particular topic. Suppose if I ask you or I tell you something about Holocaust, or if I ask you that tell me something about the war which is going on right at Russia-Ukraine war. So you will say that the students who are present here listening to my lecture, they will say that, ma'am, we simply don't have any idea, or else we have an idea if they have some knowledge about it. It is the research. So it is completely research-based idea generation. If you need to do research on a particular topic based on which you can give ample information. So how to start the topic depends upon several factors. Suddenly we cannot start a topic. We need to go through a particular method, and that is the process of procedure in public speaking. You need to be a good orator. Those who are watching this video will understand that in case of public speaking, it is extremely essential, because you need to have good introduction of the particular topic to create an impression in the minds of the audience by asking them just few questions. So if I just give you a simple topic, my best food, you can say that my best food is paneer butter masala, my best food is biryani. So this is not the correct way to start a topic. We need to give an introduction. So in this particular PPT, I will show you the 3 points. The first 2 points are very important. The third one is also important, but depends on the topic. Generally, what we say that we should start any type of topic by giving a small intro. Whatever is the topic, whether it's a big topic, research topic, debate topic, it's an advanced level topic, we need to give a small intro to the topic. It includes certain words like most of us, everyone, society. So these are just a guideline, it's just a clue. You can start the topic in any way, just an introduction to the topic, and then you can go to the personal section. So the topic is very important, the introduction is equally important. So first of all, I think most of you have watched certain TED Talk speeches, certain videos which comes up in the YouTube frequently. So from that, you can come to an understanding that when we want to give our views on any particular topic, we need to give a generalized introduction. So we can ask a question to the people who are sitting around us. Hi, my friends, how are you? Just a simple question in a smiling way, not having any grave expression in that way. Hi, my friends, how are you? Hope all of you are doing well. The same thing, you're just talking to them or you're giving a speech after any festival. So you can ask a question. Hi, my friends, how are you? Hope you all have enjoyed this particular festival, Diwali, Muharram, Eid, whatever. And then you directly go to the top. You pick up a question based on the topic and you ask a question to the audience. For example, if the topic is based on role of social media. So you ask a question. My friends, you all know what is the meaning of social media? Have you all ever thought how important is social media in our life? And what type of experience we have you gathered from social media? Any question you can ask them based on the topic, or you can just ask them a simple question. Do you all know the importance of social media? Do you all know what is social media? And if you are just taking class in a particular institute, then you need not wait for because you are only the mentor. So there may be some other participants who are eager to give answer to that question. They will give the answer in one line. Or else if you're in the public platform, then you can ask a question. Do you all know the meaning of social media? And you just wait for the people to respond to your question, and everybody will give a different answer. So ultimately you give the final answer that in one line. That is an online platform where we engage ourselves in different type of activities by posting videos, posting photographs, looking through different ads. So just a one line definition. So everything depends upon the nature of the topic, what type of topic your mentor is giving you, based on which you will give an intro. For example, if the topic is my favorite, my most important journey, my most memorable journey. So journey means it's related to travel. So you can start the topic in a general way. My friends, how many of you are fond of traveling? How many of you have traveled to different places far and wide? Have you ever thought that why traveling is important in our life? So first you just go on questioning the public, and any type of question you can ask, but that should be related to the topic. Directly taking from the topic and asking question, and then you wait for the response or you give the reply. This should be the first approach, step one, for starting any topic. Step two would be you just introduce your name, that my name is so and so. Like my name is Kasturi Datta. So if I want to speak on any topic, I will say my name is Kasturi Datta. And today I'm here to share my ideas about role of social media. Then a greeting, respected elders and my dear friend. I want to share my ideas about role of social media. So this particular methodology varies as per the topic. Suppose it is my memorable journey, the same process, but the question should be based on traveling because it is journey. If the topic is a research topic, so for example, if the mentor has given you a topic to be prepared at home and delivered in class, then you can ask them a question based on the research topic. Like if I ask you all that, okay, prepare for tomorrow's class about Holocaust, or prepare something about Russia-Ukraine war. So you can go through that particular topic, and then also the introduction is required. That introduction will be a little bit different because there is totally research based on historical information. So the introduction will be a little bit different from the normal topics on which you are giving your speech. For example, if you're giving a speech on Holocaust, then how can you start? My friends, have you all heard about the term Holocaust? I mean, have you all ever felt why it is an important term in our life? This type of historical incident which shook the entire world because it was a massive genocide which occurred in Europe during the Second World War. And have you all ever thought, have you all ever wondered what impact it created and what type of disastrous effect it had during those times when the World War took place? Okay. In this way, you can ask a question and then you can just start the topic. You need not give any personal information, whatever information related to the topic, because it is a research topic. Similarly, as I told you, if the topic is a debatable topic, then I completely agree, I completely disagree, or I'm in favor of the topic or I'm against the topic. For example, if the topic is mobile phone should not be given to children, then you need to know that it's a debatable topic. So either you say I'm completely in favor of the topic or I'm completely against the topic, and you start the topic. There also you can ask a question. Have you all ever wondered the pain of science? Science has given us a lot of technological development, but have you all ever felt what type of impact it is creating in the lives of our children today, especially the devices, the mobile and the laptop and tablet, whatever. And then you can start the topic by just giving your views, whether you agree or whether you disagree. So there are different categories of topic. One is state advanced topic, another one is research topic, another one is debatable topic, ordinary topics. You need to understand the nature of the topic given to you by your mentor, and accordingly you need to start. So that is a process which you need to follow in case of public speech. So the first point, the general to the topic, as I already discussed, you give a general idea. For example, my best food. So suddenly you cannot start that my best food is paneer tikka masala or biryani. You can have to give an introduction, 2 to 3 lines maximum. That food is very important in our life. Food forms part and parcel of our life. Without food, we cannot survive. We need food to survive, to grow, to develop our body, whatever. So in this way, you give a general introduction, then you share your name, I mean your greeting, and then you go to the personalized section that you describe about the personal values, I mean your personal experience, why, what is your best food, why it is important, and all those, and so on. So that is what I wanted to tell you. Now, the third point is definition. It depends on the topic. For example, if the mentor has given you a topic like importance of artificial intelligence in our life, so you need to know what is artificial intelligence. You need to define. Similarly, a few minutes back, I just talked about social media. So there are certain topics which go through definition. All topics, they do not cover definition. They do not require definition. So it is given by means of example, like general to the topic in very few lines. You need not exaggerate it much. In very few lines, you can say. Similarly, you can speak about personal views, as I told you. So all the topics will not have your personal view. For example, if the topic is, as I told you, importance of artificial intelligence, you just go on generalizing, or importance of space tourism management, you just give general idea. So all the topics will not have personal information. It depends upon the nature of the topic. And definition as per the topic. Definition is required as per the nature of the topic. You need to give definition of the particular word if it is required, or else you need not give any definition until and unless it is required. So you need to understand the nature of the topic and you need to deliver your ideas. I think whatever I've explained till now, and lastly, what I just forgot to explain one point, that is, you should go for a good conclusion also. Whenever you are saying on any, like in the public platform about any particular topic, you need to end the topic not abruptly, not haphazardly. You need to give a good conclusion. To conclude, my friends, or to sum up, or in the end, I can say that so and so, and then you give a attractive conclusion so that it creates an impression in the minds of the listeners. So that is what I wanted to share for my today's video. That is, the main purpose was how to start an introduction for any different type of topic, for any topic. Last but not the least, if I want to speak about an extempo topic, there your time is very less, because only 2 to 3 minutes. You can just start with one line introduction and then you can directly go on to the topic. I think personally that this presentation of these ideas through idea generation, through this PPT, it will be extremely beneficial and useful for those listeners or the viewers who are just watching my video, and who will gain a lot by understanding, because they will know that they need not start any topic directly. It is a wrong process. You need to give an introduction, you need to create an appeal, which is the essence of public speaking. Thank you. Hope you all have enjoyed, and I will get back to you soon. Thank you very much.